Kuha tayo ng gunting na yon kasi putulin na natin to. Wait lang kayo dyan. Wait lang. So, ito na. Nakakuha na ako ng gunting. Ilagay ko rito ang clay pag naputol na natin to. Sorry lang, ang dilim sa amin. Kaya yung si Framdish, uyab na sila ni nag-kiss the bride na sila. Magkakasal na sila ni Framdish ni. Tingnan nyo. Putulin ko na to. Tingnan, lalabas na. Lalabas.
Yeah, I don't know. Not here. What's her story? She adopted?
Kawawa naman si Ate Jasmine nyo. Malapit na matapos. Kaya tulungan nyo na ako.
His name. I was asking her! You were saying?
Steak?
Jake.
Gusto nyo, magawa na lang tayo ulit.
We're getting that babysitting.
Ilalabay na natin to. Next time na tayo magawa. Tara, dyan lang tayo.
Let's go, babysitter.
Alas 3.
Let's go. Guess it's still alive. Unfucking real. Start talking. Who are you?
Eric?
Speak up, mean it, sweetheart.